Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And the good news is that market is behaving like a normal one-day market. Sometimes we get to see crazy volatility right after market opening, but this time or this market opening was pretty normal. And moreover, we also have a news coming up on Wednesday. Big news. And the news is CPI. Okay. You must be knowing, my dear friend, CPI is a major event. So before a major event like CPI, market prefers to stay silent. So we can expect the market to stay like this till Wednesday. Because if you look at the market sentiment, we can hear the same story. Gold steady as investors look for clues on Fed rate cuts. Gold steady as fresh cues awaited. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And we can see after the market opening, market is slowly trying to move up. So whatever we discuss on Saturday are still very much valid. Or in simple words, if you have already watched the video from Saturday, you already know where are the trading opportunities because those levels are still very much valid. Though market showed selling pressure after NFP, though market closed below NFP, we cannot deny the fact that market is still trading inside the range. If we look at the higher time frame also, my dear friends, we can see that market is showing indecision. This is a weekly chart of gold as we have discussed. Okay, market is an indecision. Market is forming dojis and spinning tops for the last 3 weeks. And this is the month of September, and September is a critical month, and usually September is not a positive month for gold. So time will tell, okay, in which direction the gold will go. But as a trader, you need to be little careful throughout the month because September is not a very positive month for gold. Okay. And if gold remains sideways till CPI, then we can expect the range of gold to be the same. And the range is a big range, which is 2530 on the upside and 2470 on the downside. 2530 market has already tested 6 to 7 times. God knows, okay, how long the level will be working as a resistance. But this is a sign of danger right now. So anyways, okay, I do not want to go in detail because we have already discussed. I do not want to bore you guys by repeating the same stuff. So the trading opportunities that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. It means that if we see market going up, the best two selling opportunities for day traders are 2507.50 to 2509 because of FIBO 50% retracement level and dynamic resistance. This level is still valid for day trading purpose, and the second day trading selling opportunity for day traders will come around 2512 2513, which is FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, previous resistance is also there. So if market goes up as a day trader, we can look for a sell around these two areas. Do not place sell position blindly. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. You can also see we have a selling opportunity around 2403, which is the immediate resistance. But as market is already facing resistance from the 100 moving average, so the resistance around 2403 is little bit doubtful. Okay, so do not consider it as a reliable selling opportunity. Okay, but these levels seem to be reliable right now considering the present market volume, which means that the market doesn't have much volume. So in each and every level, market will face some resistance. So in each and every level, at least as a day trader or scalper, we can expect to make some pips like 30 to 40 pips or $3 to $4. Okay. And we also discussed a selling opportunity below 2485 area on Saturday. 2485 area on Saturday. But I would like to remind you guys one thing, that right now we can clearly see there is not enough volume in the market. In this market condition, not only in gold, okay, in every market of the world, if there is no volume, then breakouts and breakdowns are very risky. So if you see market is going down, okay, if you see market is going below 2485 with these type of candles, then there's a high chance that the breakout or breakdown will not sustain. Okay, during US session, if market shows Volume, that's a different story. But at this moment, okay, there is not much volume in the market, so do not go for breakout or breakdowns. By US session, if market goes down with volume, then only look for a sell below 2485. Okay. And if market goes down with same size of candles, then 2485 will be a support. We can look for a bounce. Now see, one level but two opposite trading opportunities. So just imagine how important volume is. And if you are a risk lover, if you love to taking risk during trades, then you can also look for a risky buy of 25 to 30 pips around 2490 2491 area. Okay, only for risk lovers. Okay, those who love to take risk. Okay, otherwise, if you're a beginner, new trader, not in a position to lose money, please avoid this level, because in every chart you will find multiple trading opportunities. So it depends on you whether you want to go for a risky trade or non-risky trades, because I know that most of you do not follow proper risk management. Okay, so I need to mention this. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Okay, nothing much to discuss here. Okay, let's see how the market remains. If market remains like this, then obviously, okay, this will be the range of the market. And if market surprises us with heavy volume during the US session, okay, then that will be a different story. But 2530, 2528, my goodness. Okay, I don't know. Okay, how long this level will be working as resistance. But okay, but one thing is quite certain, that in this particular month, okay, market should not break 2600, because I was looking for some information online, and I was also looking at the options data. Okay, I saw that, okay, chances of market going above 2600 is very less. And as we have already discussed, September is not a positive month for gold. Okay, so downside is open, okay, but upside has some restrictions. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable Forex broker, then you can visit the link in the description, okay, where I have clearly mentioned, okay, how to choose a broker and what are the points you must know before opting for a broker, because many of us still deal with some shady brokers who do not provide protection and also proper withdrawals. Okay, and you can also consider GTC. GTC is a multi-regulated broker, and especially very good option or broker for the people from Middle East, because they also have the SK or SCL license, which is a very rare license. And from this month, or today, or not this one, today onwards, okay, GTC will be providing a leverage of 1 is to 2000. Sorry for US and UK clients. Okay, they do not accept. But if you're looking for high leverage account, then yes, GTC can be an option. And trust me guys, if you go with USDT, GTC is the fastest broker that I have seen till date. Okay, anyways, GTC also provides an insurance of 20,000 euros per client. So one of the best broker that I have worked till date. Feel free to check out GTC if you are looking for a reliable broker. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Okay, this is September.